Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best electric drums is probably one of the most exciting and versatile instruments for adults looking to explore their musical creativity, offering a dynamic range of sounds and playing experiences that can be enjoyed both for practice and performance, all within a compact and often quieter setup compared to traditional acoustic drum kits, making them an ideal choice for home musicians and aspiring professionals alike. Number 5. Best Choice Products 5-piece full-size adult drum set. Experience the thrill of drumming with this complete full-size adult drum set. It includes everything you need to start playing right away, from drums and cymbals to sticks and a stool. Crafted with a wood shell construction, this instrument delivers a rich and resonant sound. Enjoy a naturally warm and full tonal quality that will captivate any listener. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set is designed for you. Easily adjust the tom suspension, seat height, and cymbal placement for a comfortable and personalized playing experience. Get ready to play in no time with its easy assembly. The full-size drums are designed for quick setup, allowing you to focus on your music and enjoy seamless play. Make a statement with its classic design. Featuring a high-gloss finish, white drumheads, and striking silver hardware, it offers a timeless appearance that complements any style. What we like. This is a complete, full-size adult drum set that offers a warm, full tone thanks to its wood shell construction. It's easily adjustable for all skill levels, making it perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. If you're looking for a classic, all-in-one acoustic-style experience without the noise, this is a great choice. What people say. The drum pads are responsive and feel surprisingly realistic, offering a great playing experience. The built-in metronome and practice songs are fantastic tools for improving timing and learning new rhythms. Setting up the kit was straightforward, and it's surprisingly compact, fitting well in smaller spaces. Number 4. HAMPBACK ACE 530 Electric Drum Set. Discover an advanced tier 9-piece electric drum set designed for an authentic and versatile playing experience. It offers a natural feel with dual-zone mesh pads, chokeable cymbals, and an independent hi-hat stand, allowing you to express yourself just like on an acoustic kit. Explore a vast library of 948 sounds and 52 plus 20 drum kits, perfect for any style. Practice with 15 built-in songs and enjoy seamless control with its user-friendly display and Bluetooth connectivity. Customize your sound with 20 editable kits for truly authentic reproduction. Play with confidence on a rugged bass drum designed for extreme durability. Tested with over 22 million hits, its special material and noise-reducing design ensure long-lasting performance and a great feel. Enjoy an ultra-authentic playing experience with dual-layer drum pads that provide excellent percussive feedback. Equipped with dual sensors and a balanced trigger system, it delivers nuanced sounds and a realistic feel with every strike. Complete your setup with realistic cymbals that perform just like their acoustic counterparts. These chokeable cymbals feature 360-degree strike zones and a natural wobble, allowing for expressive playing anywhere on the surface. Set up and pack away with ease thanks to its patented quick-release structure. This innovative design ensures a hassle-free assembly process, making it convenient for gigs or storage. What we like. This advanced-tier electronic drum set provides an ultra-realistic playing experience with dual-zone mesh pads, chokeable cymbals, and an independent hi-hat stand. It boasts a vast selection of sounds and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration. If you demand authenticity, versatility, and professional-grade features, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The drum pads are responsive and feel like real drums, making practice sessions enjoyable. The built-in metronome and various practice modes are great for improving timing and technique. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price point, with a wide range of instrument sounds to choose from. Number 3. HAMPBACK -0 Malawian Kwacha's Electric Drum Set. Introducing the HAMPBACK -0 Malawian Kwachas, the perfect electric drum set for beginners and kids. It includes everything you need to start playing right away. Designed for convenience, this drum set features a compact and foldable rack. You can easily transport it for performances or store it neatly at home. Enjoy a versatile sound experience with 68 authentic sounds and 12 drum kits. Plus, with power bank compatibility, you can play wherever inspiration strikes. Experience an immersive drumming session thanks to its quiet mesh drum pads and realistic rubber cymbals. It provides an authentic feel, just like acoustic drums. Buy with confidence knowing you're covered by a 2-year warranty. We're here to provide excellent after-sales support if you need anything. What we like. This electric drum set is perfect for beginners and kids, featuring quiet mesh drum pads and rubber cymbals for an immersive yet less disruptive drumming experience. Its compact and foldable rack makes it great for any setting, and power bank compatibility means you can drum anywhere. If you need a portable, quiet, and beginner-friendly option, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The drum pads are responsive and feel quite realistic, making practice sessions enjoyable. Setting up the electronic drum kit was straightforward, and it connected easily to my computer for recording. The variety of built-in sounds and metronome function are excellent for learning and experimenting with different rhythms. Number 2. Pyle Electronic Tabletop Digital Drum Set. Experience the feel and sound of a real drum set, but in a compact and portable design. You can play along to built-in tracks or record your own performances. Easily link it to your Mac or PC via USB. It acts as a MIDI controller, unlocking a world of possibilities with your favorite music software. Take your music on the go. It can be powered by the included adapter or batteries, making it perfect for any location. Enjoy loud, energetic sessions or plug in your headphones for a private drumming experience. The choice is yours. With its intuitive control center and LCD screen, you can easily edit and customize your audio. Create truly unique and personalized music. What we like. This electronic tabletop drum set is designed to be compact and portable, resembling the feel and sound of a full drum set. It functions as a MIDI controller for your computer and can be powered by AC adapter or batteries, making it ideal for playing anywhere. If you want a versatile, portable drum pad kit for practice, performance, or creative music production, this is a solid option. What people say. The drum pads are responsive and feel quite realistic, making practice sessions enjoyable. Setup was surprisingly easy, and the included software offers a good range of sounds and customization options. The compact design is a huge plus for smaller living spaces, and it's relatively quiet when using headphones. Number 1. MOSEN MED X3 Electric Drum Set. Unleash your inner drummer with the MOSEN MED X3. This all-in-one electric drum set provides everything you need for an authentic drumming experience, suitable for all ages and skill levels. Enjoy apartment-friendly practice with its full mesh drum heads. They offer an authentic rebound and responsive dynamics, ensuring a realistic feel without disturbing your neighbors. Dive into a vast sonic landscape with 195 built-in sounds and 25 realistic drum kits. These accurately replicate acoustic drum timbres across various music styles, perfect for beginners. Experience enhanced playing versatility with its durable, full mesh drum heads and dual-zone snare. This allows for a wider range of tonal variations and performance techniques. Practice with precision using the integrated metronome and silent headphone output. Connect seamlessly to your devices via USB MIDI or AUX input for unlimited creativity. Searching for a unique gift. This electric drum set offers an immersive musical experience, sparking joy and creativity for any music enthusiast. Start your drumming journey today. What we like. This electric drum set features full quiet mesh drum pads for apartment-friendly practice and a dual-zone snare for enhanced playing versatility. It comes with a powerful sound module offering 195 plus sounds and 25 drum kits, making it great for beginners. If you're looking for an adult-sized kit with authentic rebound, responsive dynamics, and strong educational features, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The drum pads are responsive and feel like real acoustic drums. The built-in metronome and practice songs are great for improving timing and rhythm. The sound quality is surprisingly good for an electronic drum set, with a wide range of tones to choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.